Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to view body count in GTA 5. In today's video, I want to teach you how to view your body count in GTA 5. So to view your body count in GTA 5, click on Escape. After clicking on Escape, you will be located to your Grand Theft Autos. It's more like a settings or map. You'll be located to your Grand Theft Auto map. And once you're here, next to Brief, there's what we call Stats. Then click on Stats. After clicking on stats, you will see unique crimes. There you go. Just click on crimes, and there you go. As you can see right now, Franklin, there you go. Franklin's body count, he killed 118 cops, news 79, times wanted 51. There you go. So on and on. And let's check to our other character. You can do that by just clicking this. There you go. And as you can see, Trevor killed 132. And let's see Michael's. Michael's killed 552 cops and news 610. Wow. So Michael's the most is the serial killer in the group. So yeah, that's how you check your GTA 5's character's body count. And a quick tip for you guys, you can also check what guns has the most kill, or what weapon did they use the most to kill people. Example, let's try Michael. Michael killed more people using a carbine rifle, as you can see there. And let's check with the others. And Franklin killed over 96 with a pistol. What about the others? And Trevor, same with Michael, carbine rifle kills. And there you go. That's how you check your body count in GTA 5. So I hope you guys like the tip, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.